Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to share and to show how to use the application called Notebook. This application is designed for a SmartBoard and interactive whiteboard. One of the things that we can do with that is to prepare our classes and make them more interactive so the student can play and learn at the same time. We have already prepared this class, tricks to multiplication tables, and we have two different menus. This menu, we can see that we have the pencils, how to introduce text, and in this one we have a hidden menu with a different page that we have already done. So we are going to start. The first thing, we are going to start with the first one, the one table, and this one is easy. So we can see and we can use this in the class to use, for example, the magic pen to write. We can see that the number we are multiplying is always the same. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so it's always the same number. This is one of the things of the magic pen that is going to disappear. And well, so we show that, and then we have done a game, so we pass to the game. Let's try. So we are going to have this hidden also, so the student come here and said okay, they can go to the whiteboard, to the blackboard, to the SmartBoard, or to the interactive whiteboard, and press with the hand, with the finger, and said 1 times 1, 1. Okay, correct. 2 times 1 is 8. Correct. 5 times 1 is 1. No, it's 5. Okay. So this is one of the things that we have done. How we have prepared that? So it's easy. This number we have write is block. We can unblock them, and one of the things that we can do is we write that, we block them, and we have different things to block them. We can block only the position, we can allow the movement in vertical way, horizontal way. We are going just to block the position. Here we can move, but this one is not blocked, so we are going to block it. So we block it, so the student, sorry, here. So we block it, and the student only can move that, and they can't delete because it's blocked. So then the next one is the times 2. Did you know, and we add the trick, that is always the double the number we are multiplying? So we are going to use again that with, for example, another color, green or yellow. So 1 times 2 is 2. The double of 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6, and so on. Then we have prepared another game that is here. So this activity is called the magic tunnel. The student can go to the whiteboard and play with that. So they can say, okay, 1 times 2. The result is 2. Yes, great. So then 4 times 2, the same. The magic tunnel, and the result is 2. Oh no, it's 8. Okay. 8 times 2, 16. Okay, that's great. 6 times 2, 12. And they can continue with the different numbers. Well, as you see, everything is okay. But how we have done this activity? It's easy because we have two different colors. This one that is like blue, dark blue, or yes, dark blue and white. So as we can see here, this number is also blocked. So we have write the number 7 in white and the number 14 in blue. So when we pass through the magic tunnel, the number that appears is 14. The truth is that we have both numbers, and it's easy to prepare. It's funny because it's like something different that the student is going to say, oh, I like that. And with this one is like in the front, this square is in the front, so the number pass just behind. So then we go to the next activity. This is like the first one. So the students come, you can call some of the students and said, okay, Luis, came to the whiteboard. How much is 2 times 2? And he said 4. Please move the star. And they move the star and they can see that is correct. And also this one. Okay. Multiplying by 4, I don't know, 1 times 4, 2 times 4. We have another trick that is double. Is the same as the multiplication of 2, but we have to do it twice. For example, 1 times 4 is 4, because we already know the table of 1, so we have 4. And it's the same. Is 2 times 1 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 6 times 4 is 24. So we have here the example, and then we are going to our magic tunnel. It's the same structure, everything the same, but we have changed some of the number. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. And 4 times 4, 16. 10 times 4, 40. So we have the different things here. 8 times 4 is 32. 6 times 4, 24. Well, like you can see, it's the same structure. But the students are going to pass through the magic tunnel. Then we have another activity with this. 6 times 4, 24, like we can see, is the same. And now we have something that is different, that is this game. This exercise is totally different. We have a combination of all the operations that we have been doing during the class. In this side we have the multiplication, and here the result. So the student can come to the board and press with their finger 2 times 3. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Correct. 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 18. Oh, it's not correct. Okay, try again. 2 times 7 is 8. No. So they can try as many times as they need. And they can play at the same time. They are at the same time they are learning. 1 times 4 is 4. And we can continue. Well, 18. So the next activity is a race. We have prepared these 2 activities with Smart Labs. In this activity we can choose different groups, but it's going to depend of your screen. If your screen admit a multitasking Blackboard, you can use more than 3 or 4. We are going to choose 4. Okay. Oh, 3. Better. Or 4. It is the same. So you can prepare different groups. You have music. We are going to close this. And they can choose the animal that they want. Play. Okay. So they have to press these buttons here to be faster, and to have more turbo, they need to replay this answer. This is the first one, it's easy. 1 times 1. Okay, D. This one say that is 6, but this one. And this one say also 6. So this one have an extra fast, extra turbo. They can press and they go faster. So when they come here, they will have another question. And they can revise the thing that they learn. At the same time, they are playing with their classmates in groups against another groups. Well, A, B, C, 8. Okay, so this is the meaning, and as we can see here, we have prepared a multiple choice question. Here we have write our multiplication and the result here. So if you say that the result is 6, you press here and write the result correct. So they will press and it's going to be correct. So that's all that our class. Thank you everyone to see this video, and if you need this presentation for your class, write a mail for me, it's going to be in the description. Thank you very much.